clean. Clean. Yeah, I like them wheels. That boy real clean. What it do, gang? It's your boy Luke back with another video. I'm heading out here to the shop, and this will be day number 3 of working on this POS. Yeah, POS. I gotta get this thing out my yard. I got the I did go pick up the rotors today, because y'all know in my last video I told y'all that them rotors was cracked. And if y'all want the part number, I'm gonna show y'all the part number real quick. Yeah, she leaning a little bit. Yeah. Anyway, let me show y'all this part number. There's a part number right there. Yeah, that's the part number, and that's for this 3/4 ton. Yeah, so now I gotta move this thing back over here. I'm probably gonna let it hang out in the road a little bit. That way, yeah, that way it'll be easier for me. But let me go ahead and open this doggone shop up. Yeah. Anyway, I got the keys. I still got my tools from yesterday from right there, so we're finna go ahead and move this doggone thing over. Yeah, that way we can get this thing on up out of here, cause this thing got to go. It's got to go. I got this side up right here, but I'm gonna show y'all while we changing them, cause there's like a big. Y'all see that? See, it's a crack, and it chipped on the edge right there. See where it's round at? It's round on the edge, and then it gets jagged. It chipped. So it got hot. And then it's grooved. Like, it was metal on metal, man. It was pretty bad. So we got the new ones right here. So I'm gonna put them new ones on there and call it a doggone day. Yeah, we out and about. Y'all see who we ran into? Oh, Ezra. Yeah, man. Y'all see what he rolling on? He rolling on them doggone. He riding on them. EZFLIPPA. That's what they call you now? Call you EZFLIPPA? Flipper? EZFLIPPA. Okay. EZFLIPPA. He's not Ezra no more, y'all. It's EZFLIPPA. What is this? 26 by 16? I mean, 16s? Damn. Them mugs is wide. Them mugs is wide, boy. He got that lean too. He got that lean on it too. Ooh, color match headlights. Color match, color match. He got the nice LED grill in there. Yeah. Rock lights. How many rock lights he got? Ooh, got 3 rock lights. I like this mug right here. This mug, ooh. Ooh, she look good. She look real good. Anyway, I'm finna chop it up with Ezra real quick. I just thought I'd bring his truck to the channel. Yeah. Nasty. Big squad of diesel. Yes, sir. Yeah, that be nasty. Yeah. All right. It's Mother's Day today, and I hope all y'all mamas have a spectacular day. But I ain't doing much. I ain't doing much today. Not doing much. But I was trying to do this oil pressure sensor in the back there, but I'm gonna have to order that tool, which I should have ordered it in the first doggone place, but I'm hard-headed. I don't listen. But yeah, man, but she's still out here. We still out here. And she's still looking good. Y'all know I did get that door for the other side, but it's not painted. It's not doggone painted at all. And probably the next thing I'm gonna do to this truck, I'm gonna get some headers. I want some headers, and I need to get that panel to cover that up, to cover that gap up. So, but the rock lights have been working flawlessly. They have been working flawlessly. I probably need to throw some touch-up paint on there. But a problem that I'm having, man, y'all get in the comment section, let me know what y'all think it is. My reverse lights don't work. As you can see, it's bulbs in there. There's bulbs in there, but they just don't pop on. So, yeah. I don't know what the deal is. I may have to straight wire some or something. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing some body work on this thing, man, because I'm ready to get some paint on it. I'm ready to get that wrap off the roof, which the wrap looked good. It's all right. It's serving its purpose. And it's just a few little odds and ends. I'm ready to get my I rode by the place that did the bed liners and stuff, and they have since closed. And then I rode by another place, and they closed also. So I gotta find a place to do bed liners, or I may be forced to do it myself. Yeah, I may be forced to do it myself. And then Brent's got a step side bed, so I'm kind of in a toss up between that. Do I want to stay fleet side, which I do like the fleet side look, or do I want to switch it up and go step side, which I don't know. But I do got the door. I did get that door. I'm gonna do cab corners. Yeah. When I do that door, I'm gonna go ahead and do the cab corners, but I gotta grab a welder first. Other than that, man, she be sliding. She definitely be sliding. You know what I'm saying? I could crank the front up some more, but I don't want to jack up my alignment. So, and I don't want to lose comfortability, because it's comfortable right now. And the Yukon. Yeah, she's still over here. I think I need to change a valve stem in this tire right here, because all the other tires, they hold air, but this one right here, maybe every week I gotta add like 10 pounds to it. So I think the valve stem may be bad on this side right here, and I need to get everything color matched. That's for dang on sure. She a little dirty right now. That's because I've been driving her in the rain. Yeah, she look all right. I'd like to lift the front at least 2 more inches and find me some 26s. I don't want no wides on this right here. I don't want no wides on that. And then we got the OG over here. My son been sliding in this. I don't know what he been doing though. I don't know what he been doing. I don't know. He's crazy. He's definitely crazy. Yeah. I mean, look at this. He just, I'm gonna have to change that steering wheel, because he just gripping the gun. Man, I don't know what he doing. Little old sodas in here. What's up with this guy? And y'all know, you can't keep a soda right there. Man, son crazy, man. Son he crazy. I don't know what he doing. She ain't as clean as she used to be. She's still clean though. But we got big plans for this right here. Big plans. Yeah. So that's coming up next. Color and more suspension mods. Yeah. But yeah, I just figured do a little something for y'all because I've been kind of lazy. Last week I was sick, man. I was sick as hell. I don't know what was going around, but I had it. I still been taking medicine and stuff. Matter of fact, nah, I ain't gonna take none right now. But yeah, man, y'all do me a favor, hit that like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Cause as I get the motivation to do stuff to these vehicles, these trucks, I'll make videos. But I just don't wanna make videos of if I don't have nothing to do. Just recording a bunch of BS. There's a couple of truck shows. There's a truck show coming to Maggie Valley, and there's a truck show in Rockingham. But I don't know if I'm gonna go. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the one in Rockingham. I could go to the one in Rockingham. Maybe I should. Go on ahead and slide the truck on down there. But I gotta get this oil pressure sensor thing squared away. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and order that tool. I'm gonna order that tool, see if I can't get it here tomorrow. And I'll change the oil pressure sensor tomorrow, because I'm pretty sure that's what it is, because the Tahoe used to do the same thing. Like the oil pressure would get real low. It'd get real low. And then the light would want to pop on, and it was the oil pressure sensor. So yeah. Anyway, man, like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all holler at your boy. Peace.